Hi, in this tutorial, I will show you the authorization process of Acumbamail and send data through bit integrations. At first, open the bit integrations dashboard and click on Create Integration button to create an integration. Now select any trigger of your preference that you want to connect with Acumbamail. I am selecting Gravity Form. After completing these steps, the actions will appear on a new page. Now search and select Acumbamail from the actions pages that you want to integrate with your selected task or form. Here you can set the integration name of your preference. Here you have to set the auth token. To get auth token, open Acumbamail API doc. In Customer Identifier section you will find the auth token. You have to copy auth token from the Acumbamail API doc and paste the auth token field of integration settings. Then click on Authorize button. After successfully authorize, then click on the next button. After successfully authorization, select the actions from the drop-down option of your preference. Bit integration has two options for Acumbamail action. Number 1 is Add/Update Subscribe. If you select this option from the drop-down, a new subscriber will be added to your Acumbamail list, or the user already exists in your list. It will then update the customer with other field information based on the email address. And number 2, delete subscribers from your Acumbamail account. If you selected this option from the drop-down, the records would be deleted from your Acumbamail account based on the email address. Also, select the list from the drop-down option. You have to create a list before on your Acumbamail account. When you fill up the subscribers list, you will find the Map field option. You have to map all the necessary fields with the related Acumbamail field. After mapping the desired fields, click on Next. Finally, to save the integration process, click on Finish and Save. Now go to your selected task or form, type some information and save. Open your Acumbamail account to check whether the data is sent to your Acumbamail account. Bit integration has an option in every integration called Timeline, where you can check integration success or error status. Thanks for watching.